Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kafrang Yamaha kum simenta ban penpau ya kajing sungu ya kikam kiba kinong thok kubor kitre kalapan kuburom ya kumba henry pongut kinong thok kubor kibadai kinong tre kiba hakmat hakapor ba sakta hakaklam covid khat kendai. Hakane kasngi la palai pen baru ya katuk-tuk kaya maha erok balasna bar pentrekam daka sispa asan pesan sisti engine bat la palai pen ba do presiden bar sekretari kaselong press club.
We've had our most respected government via the Deputy CM having declared us frontline workers on the 27th of May this year, but that's still in his lips. It hasn't reached his hands as yet to notify. So thank you, Yamaha, for recognizing my colleagues. They've been working very hard under tremendous challenges, constraints, financial, non-financial, physical, spiritual, mental, all kinds, but they come here with a smiling face to thank Yamaha and especially Indon and team for being humble enough to think of us and remember us when we do all the spade work. Thank you very much. God bless Yamaha. So the thing is, you know what, Yamaha kind of, I have a little bit of an association. The first bike that I learned how to ride was a Java, of course. But I remember after passing class 12, I rode from Delhi to Shillong on a Yamdoot 350. That time there were very few 350s. And so I've had a very good relationship with Yamaha. I didn't know that they will start producing bikes here. Didn't know they'll be innovative and be highly competitive in the market and establish itself as a leader, not only here but globally. When it comes to local Yamaha, I think Indon and the team have been very resourceful, been very innovative. The last time we launched a scooter right from inside the press conference hall. So, besides stomping the floors, we even tried to have a crack at the floor by launching a, what was that scooty that we shown? Fasino. Oh yeah, Fasino, right? Yeah, I remember. So now we're doing this at a beautiful lawn and chilling out in some awesome indigenous delicacies. I hope some of the people from Yamaha, the territory manager, maybe take back something about what we guys do to launch a bike. We also launch our own culture as well. And I hope that you see, it's very good to sell and use the media to, really propagate you guys. But the media will also, get after your asses if you don't service your customers there. So we have a fair deal. So we promote you, but you look after our people, especially our young ones who are bike freaks, right? Great. And of course, if you can, I believe there are a lot of finance issues also that our young people have here vis-a-vis with other parts of the country. So maybe you could possibly look, our young people are intelligent, resourceful, hardworking, and honest. We don't kind of cheat on EMIs.